How to choose the right web hosting company. Web hosting is a competitive industry, and it's really not surprising considering the fact that there are billions of websites out there and that all need to be hosted somewhere. In this presentation, you're going to learn how you can choose the right web hosting company for your website. Many web hosting companies have large budgets for advertising. You'd often see the same companies cropping up in many different places on the internet. However, just because they're big and popular doesn't automatically mean they're the best host. When it comes to web hosting, you often get what you pay for. So here are some points you need to consider to find the best hosting company. Number 1. Know your website needs. When you're just starting out, you don't need to go for the most expensive plan just because you can afford it. That's just wasteful and frankly not a good investment. You should have an idea of the kind of content you'll publish and an estimate of your monthly traffic. Then look for the right package that meets your needs. Number 2. Compare different packages. Depending on your needs, some basic packages may actually be perfect for you. However, different web hosts bundle different services into their packages. Some offer plenty of useful freebies which would be considered add-ons in other companies. Number 3. Read user reviews. Reviews from people who have used the service are extremely helpful. It will help you get an idea of the kind of service you'll be receiving as well. There are plenty of websites that offer unbiased reviews of various web hosts. Just a word of caution though, many of these reviewers do get a commission when you buy something through their affiliate links, so some might not be as unbiased as you think. Number 4. Understand their terms. What's the service level agreement or uptime guarantee? Their money-back guarantee, their contract terms. Knowing all these may mean the difference between a good experience and a bad experience. If you don't want to read the fine print, then do check out reviews or ask the web host directly. Number 5. Don't get hung up on the price. Some companies offer rock-bottom prices that make many people think signing up is a no-brainer. However, when they start experiencing problems, they realize they're not getting the support they need. Or they don't realize the renewal price will be 2 times or 3 times higher than their initial package.